Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about Cooluli mini refrigerator usage and also how to troubleshoot it. This mini refrigerator is basically a thermoelectric device that consists of semiconductor material. Means P-type and N-type semiconductor materials are connected electrically in series and thermally in parallel as shown in this diagram. Whenever the polarity of the applied DC voltage is as shown here, the top side will be cold side and bottom side will be the hot side. If you reverse the polarity, both the sides will be reversed. So this is how this mini refrigerator can be used both as a cooler and warmer by simply selecting the slider switch. Whenever you change the slider switch, so this polarity of the applied voltage will be reversed to the mini refrigerator. This is the right side of this 4-liter capacity mini refrigerator. So here you can see it is having an indication green LED, so which indicates that is in cold mode. Red LED will indicate the warm mode. Whenever the slider switch is at middle, so it is in off mode. So this refrigerator can be powered by using DC voltage or AC voltage. Whenever you are having access to AC voltage, means if you are in home or office, you can use AC power cord. So the AC connector need to be connected to the AC port of this refrigerator, and this AC plug need to be connected to the wall outlet. Whenever if you are having access for DC voltage, like if you are traveling and if you are sitting in a car, so you can use it, and this DC plug of this DC power cord need to be connected to the DC socket of the car, and the DC connector need to be connected to the DC port of this refrigerator. Whenever you are using in car, you should be very careful. So before connecting this refrigerator to the DC socket, your car engine need to be turned on, and before switching off the car, you should ensure that this refrigerator is disconnected from the DC socket of the car. Otherwise this will completely drain your car battery. And 4-liter capacity refrigerator is also having additional option. It can be powered by using a USB powered cord, and minimum current required for this USB is 2 amps. So you need to use a power bank that supports 2 amps. You cannot connect it to a computer, because computer only provides 500 milliamps. So you need to have a power bank that gives 2 amps. So you can connect by using this power bank to power this mini refrigerator. This is the energy consumption for 4-liter capacity. So if you see, it cool downs to 40 degree Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. So ambient temperature plays a vital role in the cooling capacity of your refrigerator. If your ambient temperature is high, so the temperature to which this refrigerator reaches is also high. So ambient temperature refers to the temperature of the surrounding air. For example, if the unit is used for cooling in the ambient temperature of 75 degree Fahrenheit, then it cools down between 75 to 40 degree Fahrenheit. If this ambient temperature is increases, so this temperature also it will increase. So these are the different problems, and possible solutions are also have shown here, and what to check also have shown here. So blinking green LED in back of the unit means unit fan is not rotating. There is some problem with the power supply or fan. You need to check it by opening the top cover on the right side. So this I will discuss in detail in this video. Fan making a loud noise, check for any obstruction for the fan. So you should ensure there is a minimum of 2-inch clearance on the right side of your refrigerator, so for proper vent. Unit does not cool contents as advertised. So most Cooluli units cool contents down to anywhere between 35 to 40 degree below the ambient temperature. So you need to ensure whether your ambient temperature is high. So in that case, this temperature also it will increase. So unit is not cooling and lights off in back, so unit stop working. So these are the problems. So there is a problem with the mains power source. First you need to check the whether the unit is properly connected to the wall outlet, and then if your unit is not turning on, you try to plug into the DC power cord of your battery. If you are using in DC and if it is not turning on, then you do the reverse. You check by connecting the mini refrigerator to the AC wall outlet. So you can cross check whether there is a problem with the refrigerator or any incoming power problem. So IC is building inside the unit, so or water collecting at the bottom of the unit, water drip or leakage. So for this, so there is a condensation that is happening inside the refrigerator. So for that, you first turn off the mini refrigerator at room temperature. You take a soft cloth and gently wipe down the inside of your unit to remove any moisture that is accumulated inside the refrigerator. This is recommended once or twice a week. So blinking of the green LED problem can be addressed so by following this procedure. So after disconnecting from the power point, so you need to open the top cover and see whether the fan cable is properly connected or not. If it is disconnected, so you ensure it is properly connected to the connector. So this is the fan cable, which is a DC voltage that is going to this fan, 12 volts DC. So if this connector is intact, so there might be some other problem like the fan might have damage, or incoming 12 volts to this fan maybe not coming. So these are the other possible solutions. You need to find the exact problem and get the solution for that. Suppose if the connector is disconnected, just reinsert and then screw the back cover, and you can use your refrigerator as usual without any problem. Thank you for watching my video.